Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix wireless display installed failed error in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem you can try some method. First one, click on start, then here type here optional features, open optional features. Now click on view features. Now search here wireless. This one, wireless display, select it, next, then install. Once this installation complete, close and restart. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on start, settings. Here click on network and internet. Here click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now here guys you will see Wi-Fi or Ethernet, your connection. Click here. Then click on properties. And here turn off metered connection. Some app might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. So turn off this setting. Still you are facing problem, so you can try third method. Search CMD. Click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here copy and paste this command line I will give in description. Now copy and paste this command line I will give in description. Then press enter. Now wait for few seconds till this process will complete. And once this is complete, restart your system. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve wireless display install failed error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and comment any method worked for you or not.